Hello once again and welcome to this new and exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to use Big Cartel Dropshipping. Big Cartel Dropshipping helps you create a perfect online store for your creative business. So I'll be leaving the link to bigcartel.com in the description of this video. And once you get to this page, you don't have an account, so you click on sign up at the top right corner here, or you can also come down here where you have these three options. We have the free version, we have the one that goes for $9.99 per month, and we have the other one for $19.99 per month. So we are going to be using this free one for now. So you click on get started, and then you'll put your email here, put your password, and then the shop name, and then you click on sign up. Then you verify this email. So, and that will bring you to this page. You notice at the top, we have the dashboard, orders, products, discounts, and your account. And then to get started, you can ensure you do the following. You verify your location and currency. You can add your product, you explore shipping profiles, you connect your payment processor, and then you also design your shop, then you launch your shop. And then down here, we have the statistics. We have currently 0 visitors, 0 orders, 0 conversion, and 0 revenue, now that this is just a new account. But down here, that's where you get all those details once your account is active. So the first thing to add basically should be your payment method, so that once you get an order, you're able to pay. So you click on connect a payment processor down here, and then you'll now be able to connect your shop to a payment method. You notice here we can now set our currency. Down here you notice we have our currency as US dollars. We can edit here. We can click on edit location and currency, so that now we can change our currency here. You notice like this is US dollar. If I want any other, I can select it from this list. But in this case, I want it to remain as it is. Then down here, you can set up your payment options. Either you can accept credit cards with Stripe, or you can accept payment with PayPal. To set up that, you click on that edit pen here. You notice now you have an option at the top here to either connect to Stripe if it's available in your country, or you can accept with PayPal. If you want to do that, you click on connect PayPal, and then you'll be connected. Your payment method will be connected. So I'll click back so that now I can show you how to add a product. So to add products, you simply come at the top here and click on products. So you notice you can now add a new product here. We currently don't have any products. You can add manually, or you can also import products. If you click on import products, you are able to import your products either from Etsy, from Shopify, or from Squarespace. So you can just click on get started, so that now you are able to import your products from those sites. So here you can add a CSV file of those products from those sites, either Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, and all that. So that's how you can add that. If you click on add, you can now get to your file where it is, and then you add that. So if you want to add the product manually, if we close that, you click on add product at the top here. So you fill in these details. And now, the good thing with Big Cartel, you can set it up so that doesn't look like a dropshipping store. So if I go to AliExpress and then I search for something, maybe I want to be selling laptops. I search laptops on AliExpress or any other store. You notice I have all these laptops here. So maybe I want to sell this laptop here. I simply click on it. That's a Core i7. So you notice here now I have the details. So I can just select that, copy, then come to my Big Cartel, then paste there that as my product name. Then I can do the same thing for this one, for description. What is this? Then I can just do that. Then the categories here, I can add the categories. If I click on add, you notice I can manage categories. Click on manage categories. Then I can click on add category. What is the category name? Maybe I want this one to be new. I also want another category here to be used. And then I want to add the third category here, old. If I'm happy with the categories, click on save, so that now my clients will be able to select one of these categories that I've created. So you notice now they've been added here. The status here, we have active, hidden, sold out, coming soon. We have any of those. So I want to set it as active. Then I can set the price here. So because I want to drop ship from AliExpress, this one is going for 134.923. I can set this now to be maybe 140 for me. So I'll come back here to my store and put the price there to be 140 Kenyan shillings. Remember, I already showed you how to change the currency. So I'll put that. And so what this means is once a client places an order through me, they are going to pay me 140, but I'll go to AliExpress and place that order on their behalf with their address, so that now they'll be able to get this product directly from AliExpress. And so that's why I've put a different price here from what is there. Then we can add variants here, and the variant here, we can decide either the variant in terms of different things, for instance, colors. So if you can add a variant there, click on add. So the variant name here, I'll put it maybe as black, or maybe color, whatever it is. Then I can add the other variant here, gray. So those are the variants that I want to include. So if I have other variants, I simply click on add. So I have those two variants. Maybe the price is the same. If the price is different for a different variant, I would come here and again adjust that. Let me put that as 139 that way, so that we have different variants. Then we have the shipping here. You can add the shipping. If you click on add shipping, you can look at the prices, the country here, and then the price. And then if you're importing that with other things, you can adjust here, and you can have different websites to show you the cost of shipping. And then you can go to the tax category. You can edit this one. And with that, you notice, yes, you've added a new product. So this is how we can view our product. If we now want to add an image of our product here, you click on add an image. It takes you to your PC. Then select the image that you want of the product that you are dealing in. In this case, I'm just going to select a random image. And so our image has been added there. So we can now click on save. And with that, our image has been added. And then you can add discount codes to entice new customers and reward new ones. So you can add a discount. You click on add a discount at the top here. Then you can give the discount code here. You can get it generated here. You click on generate random code. Click on that. You notice we have a code there. Then your customers will see the discount description at checkout. So maybe this one is new customer offer. So that's maybe the discount you are going to give. So here you can set when this discount applies. Is it when a customer orders anything? If you click on that arrow, you can see it's when a person spends at least a certain amount or orders at least a certain amount. So I'll click on spends at least, then I can set the amount. So if a person spends at least 1,000 shillings or dollars, depending on the currency that I've set, then they get this discount. So you either give them, is it free shipping or something else? You select here, is a percentage discount or a flat rate discount? I want to give them a percentage discount there. Then which percentage discount do I want to give them? I can select any. I want to give them 5% discount. You notice now I'm able to edit pages at the top. I can also edit the themes again here at the top. I can view my store either on desktop or even on Android or mobile. I can also select or drop an image as a header image here. I can also have a repeating background image here. I can also create a slideshow. I can select the colors here. So you notice those are the settings that you can have access to on your profile. I hope this has been helpful. That is how you use big cartel dropshipping. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.